Question number 9. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the marked price. Now here in this question the marked price is not given. So let the marked price be X. Now discount which is been given is 20%, and the sale price, the price at which it has been sold, is 1600. Now we have to find the marked price. Now how the marked price can be found? See, whatever will be the marked price, from that if you will subtract the discount, okay, you will get the sale price, isn't it? If suppose the skates are of X amount, now from that X the discount has been subtracted, then you will have to pay 1600 rupees. So this is what we already know. We don't know the marked price, we have taken it as X. From X we have to subtract the discount. Now we don't know the exact discount, but we know the discount percentage. So it is 20% of X, whatever is the X, it's 20%. So X minus 20% of X is going to be the selling price. X minus X by 5 is equals to 1600. Suppose there is 1, 5 is the LCM. 5x minus x is equals to 1600. 5x minus x, 4x upon 5 is equals to 1600. X is equals to 1600 into, now 5 will go in multiplication, 4 will go in division. 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. That means what is the marked price? 2000 rupees were marked on that skateboard, on those skates. Okay, 2000 rupees, and 20% of 2000, 20% of 2000, 2 2s are 4, 400. So from 2000 400 has been subtracted and we got 1600. That means our answer is correct. You can cross check like this. Now question number 10. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. Now VAT means value added tax, and it is already included in this price. Find the price before the VAT was included. Now we don't know what is the price before the VAT. Let the price be X. It is similar to question number 9. Now we know that the VAT is how much? 8%, and the sale price of this item is 5400. Now again similar way we'll make the equation here, that how this selling price has come. It has come when we have added 8% of the tax on the cost price. On the cost price 8% VAT is added, and then we have got the selling price. Okay, now cost price we have taken as X. Now 8% of X, on that cost price only we have added the tax, and cost price was X. So 8% of X is equals to the selling price, that is 5400. So X plus 8 upon 100 into X. Now we can either reduce it or let it be like this. Suppose there is 100 is the LCM. 100x plus 8x is equals to 5400. Now 100 plus 8, 108x upon 100 is equals to 5400. X is equals to 5400. 100 will go in multiplication and 108 will come in division. Okay, now we can reduce it. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 54 we are getting. Let's cut this one. 2 5s are 10, 0, 54, 1s are 54, 0, 0, 50 into 100, 5000. So what was the cost price of the hair dryer? It was of 5000 rupees. The hair dryer was of 5000 rupees, but due to that 8% of the VAT included on it, it cost me 5400 rupees.